This is the stage. It's maybe 15 feet wide and sitting in the grass by a lake. And by tonight, I've got to fit 2 bands, a drum kit, and 6 monitors on it. Today's forecast says rain, so we're breaking out the new tent to keep us and the gear dry. I didn't think this was going to be easy, but I may have bitten off more than I can chew. Also, I thought the load-in was going to be simple. Couldn't have been more wrong.
Oh boy, this is bad. I mean, basically, this is terrible. Oh God. You can't push them, so you gotta pull them. This is wow. This is gonna be a video of me just unloading stuff. Wow. Oh God. And the rest of the wedges
go in the tent.
Go in the tent. All right. So it's a bluegrass group, so you know, I don't know how crazy they're gonna be. I think apparently there's like a drum kit, but they said it was like a suitcase kit. I don't know. So we'll see what that even means. Just trying to figure out where it all is. Okay. So we have 3 SD8s. Got A, B. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if like we put the drum kit in the corner here, but with cymbals and everything, I don't know if it's even possible. So we'll do that. Nothing's on yet, by the way. I'm waiting until Joe to turn on any of this power stuff. This all looks kind of sketchy to me. I'm not gonna mess with that.
This one is super duper unreliable, and I don't believe that it's going to.
Oh, let's not use that.
Yeah.
It is always nice having a stage, though. Even if it's one like this.
How many tarps do we have?
I think just the one.
We only brought one?
I don't know. We're gonna throw down the power boxes and just not run any. So I was gonna do 2 circuits, like one in the back with like 3 boxes, and then another circuit in the front with three boxes. I bought these boxes. And this. Just a little tiny sprinkle.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm like, what do we do now?
Why don't you put the floor wedges up there just to get them covered?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a lot. It's that drum kit. That's what's gonna kind of mess it up if it's gonna get messed up. These are gonna have a long ways to go. I'm not a fan of having a drum kit on this stage at all. You know, it's enormous. Woo! That's something. I always just like to do this just to give myself a visual idea of like how big a drum kit's gonna be on here. And it's pretty overwhelmingly large. I'll put power onto these though. as a drummer wedge. So I would normally want to get like the front of house all set up first as soon as possible to make sure that's all working. But since it might rain and it's not covered, I'm going for the monitors right now.
Yeah, because we can always pull those in.
Yeah. Got 2 over here. I know green's ugly, but it's what we got today. And then it's duplicated over here, the outs. And then 4's coming also from here. We might end up putting the drummer's wedge this way. So then 5 goes in here. So that's all hooked up. It's almost 12. So it looks pretty like it's not gonna rain.
How level is it?
It's not. Put this telescopic leg where I think the problem is, and maybe put a couple, like a shim under it. How's that look? I think they're good. My snake that I was gonna use is definitely not long enough. We'll see if we can just go in a straight line. We got the subs, main right. It's front fill, main left. Yeah. Just see how much we can get out of this thing. I wish we could fit both on this one. Let's figure out power, okay?
This orange power cord is, I think, running to the house.
It is?
Yeah,
So
look.
is the stage energized?
Dunno, why don't you check out one of your Whoozy Watts it?
Yeah. It's grounded. So is that. Okay. Unfortunately, all of this is backwards. If this is a separate circuit, the input's over there. But this one's right here.
Okay.
And I'm not gonna move this, so what does it matter? This is stupid as hell. Okay. On. But as janky as this looks, they did tell us that this is a power source and that an electrician who will be here today worked on it and said it was safe. And when I check it, it is putting out the correct voltage and says it's grounded. So I'm just gonna use this to drive front of house. Yeah, we need to get some 2 channels. This is where I can use those 5-footers that were too short for the subs. That'll go there. Cool. And then I need to I'm gonna draw power for the fronts and stuff. And then grab stuff for the rack unit. Guess this is why we carry these, huh? Yeah, I'm not expecting that. Let's turn on the rack. All right, says we're good.
Super duper unreliable and not safe.
What's that?
This one is super duper unreliable, and I don't believe that it's very safe.
Oh, let's not use that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Those were installed by a master electrician.
Well, let's do that.
Just for use, guys.
It is a 20 amp circuit, so it'll be all right. We'll plug in these speakers here. We'll turn on the stage boxes, then we'll get some mics in there. Breeze feels good. Just don't rain. It's like we got that tent though, and there's like no sun. You okay?
Yeah.
Think he's okay with it?
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. That'll stop people. Okay. We have signal on that. Okay, so see. Hey, check 1, 2. Hey, 3, 4, hey. Hey, check 1, 2. And hey, 3, 4, hey, check 1, 2. Okay.
You want to tell that mower guy where not to mow?
Yeah.
We just wanted to get as close as we can without
Sure.
getting anything up here. But we're gonna mow out. I'll mow out here and let them just idle around a little bit. You know.
Yeah.
We won't tear nothing up.
All right.
All right, gotcha, bro.
Yeah. There's cords and wires and stuff, just so you know. So the vocals are like just placed around the stage to wherever to make it the shortest possible cable runs. So like vocal 1 is on this side of the stage. So is vocal 2, wherever that is. Vocal 2. So hopefully their stage plot's somewhat correct. So what instrument's over here right now?
It's mandolin.
Mando?
And I'm dobro back here.
Okay.
I was like, there's no way you're going to leave it like that. I know you and you're going to roll it
No,
back
I'm gonna
out.
roll it up. No chance. Instrument lines. I don't recall where everybody was. Then we got banjo. That would be guitar 1. Bass. We're gonna put speaker stand, microphone stands up and everything. Number 1, where are you? Oh, there it is. Hey, 1, 2, check, check, hey, hey. Hey, 3, 4, hey, hey. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, hey, hey. Check, 1, 2, hey, hey. Check, 1, 2, hey, hey. And hey, check, 1, 2, hey, hey. 1, 2, hear me out there? Yeah. All right, cool. Check, 1, 2, muted the stage. I was worried. I was like, they're not turning on. Nothing's coming out of it.
Oh, of the monitors?
Yeah. The only thing I'm worried about is space on stage. It's it. That and like how inaccurate their stage plot probably is.
Well, that's usually just every stage plot we got.
Check. 1, 2. Ooh. Starting to feed back at 400. Hey, check 1, 2. I think the only thing left for us to do right now is to wait till some of the bands show up and see what we've got to deal with and how everything's gonna fit on stage. We'll see when we get there. Right now I'm gonna save my shit. I got you set up right here with a bass line already.
On this side?
Yeah, that's just how this plot was.
You happen to have a DI
Yeah,
quarter inch?
yeah.
I brought 0 things with me.
Yeah.
Right here? Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So what instrument's over here right now?
It's mandolin.
Mando?
And I'm dobro back here.
Okay. Mando, dobro.
He's great.
Mando. Is a banjo line back here somewhere?
Yeah.
Right there. Can you toss that to me up? This is why we label things, Mary Grace.
Yeah.
Oh, are y'all okay if we film y'all for our website and stuff? Stage stuff. There's only 3 dudes, so leave all your like pedals and stuff like that, but take the instruments.
We're going back.
Okay. All right, we gotta set up that drum kit now, Mary Grace. So yeah, so I made this loom so it would be easier to plug in and strike the snake or strike the drums at the end of the night, or in the middle of the night, I suppose, right? All right. All right, I'm gonna get off.
What are you gonna do?
I'm taping this SD8 down. We'll put that wherever you want it. You think this is where you're gonna? Yeah, it's very small. Is this where it's gonna go?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and mic it up then. Just drape something down over it. All right. So no toms or?
No.
Okay.
No, we'll keep it simple.
All right, man.
There you go.
All right, we're good.
Hey, God.
Yes, sir.
I got fussed at so many sound men. What, God damn it, biscuit.
You're fine.
Not when I was on tour.
Everything's set up. We done ate some food. The band sound good. Time for a show. If it doesn't rain. At least we have a tent. See you later. It was a good time.